Today, I'm going to teach you how to see followers on your Facebook business page. This is a useful feature if you want to keep track of who's engaging with your business content and monitor your audience growth over time. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your business homepage. Now, look toward the top right part of your screen where you'll find the profile icon. Click on it, and the drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account and pages. From that drop-down menu, locate and click on your business profile name. This is usually listed under the Switch Profiles or Pages section, and it will take you directly to the management interface for your business page. This step is important because it ensures you're viewing the business account settings rather than your personal profile. You'll now be directed to your Facebook management page, which serves as the central hub for all your business activities. Here's where you can monitor your page's performance and see who's following you. Under your business name, you'll notice several statistics and metrics displayed. Look for the followers link, which will show the total number of followers your page currently has. You can click directly on this number to view more details. Alternatively, if you're browsing through the page menu options, you can also find and click on followers there. Both methods will take you to the same place. Once you click on either option, you'll be taken to a dedicated page that displays a complete list of all the followers you have under your Facebook business account. This list shows individual profiles of people who've chosen to follow your page, allowing you to see exactly who's interested in your business updates. You can scroll through this list to get a better sense of your audience and their engagement with your content. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and viewed your Facebook business page followers. This simple process helps you stay connected with your audience and understand who's supporting your business online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.